To mommyisache, and today we're making lentil dahl, and this is my favorite recipe. And not just because of the taste, it's because it has so many nourishing ingredients that you need in your life. Like lentils, you need the iron, especially as women, we need this. And then you have like turmeric is anti-inflammatory, and then all the spices that just warm you up like a big old hug. So it's a big old hug of a dish. We're gonna chop 4 carrots, half an onion. We're gonna peel the famous emoji eggplant, 4 cloves of garlic. We're only gonna use half the can of tomatoes because the other half is gonna go to the minestrone. And we're gonna use some basil. I told you guys the lighter the eggplant, the less the seeds. Look at this. Isn't that amazing? Very little seeds. So we don't want that many seeds because the seeds tend to be a little bit bitter. So that's why. By the way, I said that while we were shopping. I'm gonna add 2 tablespoons of olive oil or any oil you have. And I'm gonna add my carrots, just my carrots and my eggplant. And start sauteing those guys, okay? So I have my spices here, and we have our cumin, and it's 1 teaspoon, 1 teaspoon of turmeric, and then 1 teaspoon of the chili. All those 3 spices we purchased, remember? And we're gonna take 1 teaspoon of salt, and then half a teaspoon of pepper. If you like it more peppery, add 1 teaspoon. And the pepper is gonna activate the healing benefits of the turmeric. So in are going our spices. I like to add them early because I want them to release their oils, warming them up by kind of frying them too. See? Look at that. And then our salt and pepper. And then I'm gonna add my onions and garlic. In goes my onions and garlic. Oh my goodness, starting to smell delicious. Look at that. That's good for you. And it's gonna be so yummy. I love this. I'm gonna take what's left of our lentils, and it's 1.5 cups. Remember, we used the other cup. Coat all those lentils with a little spices so everything has flavor. Okay, just half the can of the tomatoes because the rest is gonna go into minestrone. And do you remember the can we bought for the what you call? For the chili? You're welcome to use one of those. It was the fire roasted tomato with the chilies in it. And if you like it spicy, you're welcome to use one of those, okay? And it's really flavorful too. So in goes this one. Yeah, it should be about half. Wow, look at that. Now I'm gonna add the water. And that's just gonna be 2 cups. I did all that on low heat. Make sure you do it on low heat. Now I'm gonna bring it up to a boil. Once it comes to a boil, I'm gonna cover it and let it simmer for 30 minutes. Oh, by the way, if you have an Instapot, by all means use it. It turns out so good on the Instapot. Basil, and let's make it 3 cups of water. Basil is great. It has vitamin K, has magnesium, it has a ton of health benefits. So, okay, now it's boiling. I'm gonna turn it all the way down as low as it can go, and I'm gonna cover it, okay? There we go. So, if you like it chunky, you can leave it like this, or you can add another cup of water, okay? So right before I'm about to serve, I'm gonna add half a cup of the spinach we got, remember? Oh, that's hot. So I'm gonna add it, and right before it's serving. See, that's just half. The other one is gonna go in my minestrone. And stir that in, and serve. You can serve with either white rice, or you can just eat it like this, with some like baguette or something. Just dip it. Oh, so good. I was eating, I forgot that I usually add a little bit of nutritional yeast to the whole thing, okay? So good. Serve. Oh my God, you can't get any more nutritious than this. It's delicious. You're gonna love it. Smells so good. I can't wait to eat it. Thank you guys so much for watching. Try to subscribe, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye.